How to take screenshots when app does not allow. Apps that don't allow screenshots do this on purpose for security and privacy reasons. And because of this, there is no safe or allowed method to bypass the restrictions. But there are some ways you can use to take the photo. The most simplest and safest method is to use another device. Use another phone or your friend's phone or a camera to take a photo of your screen. Second method is to check for any built-in export, save or download options. Most apps might have export or download or save option in their menu. Make sure to check for that. If it's a message on a text form, then you can simply copy paste it on your notes. If you really need the screenshot or the photo, then you can simply contact the app's support team. Describe your need and the problem that you are having, and they might guide you. Reasons can be documentation, verification, legal reasons, or customer support. After that, they can provide the data or a safe alternative. In this case, make sure that you are not installing any modded apps, using screenshot bypass tools, or trying to hack or modify the app. That's all for today. Thank you.